Everyone says, invest your money. But no one tells you this. Not all investments are created equal. Some build wealth slowly, others destroy it fast. Today, you'll discover 12 types of investments, so you know exactly where your money should go and where it shouldn't. Stocks. Stocks are ownership. You're buying a piece of a company. If it wins, you win. If it fails, you pay the price. The biggest danger isn't the market, it's your emotions. Bonds. Bonds flip the game. You're not owning, you're lending. In return, you get steady income. Less stress, less volatility, but also less upside. Mutual funds. Don't want to choose investments? Mutual funds do it for you. Your money joins others, and a professional manages everything. Simple, diversified, easy, but fees quietly reduce your profits. Index funds and ETFs. What if you stop trying to beat the market and just become the market? That's index funds and ETFs. Low cost, long-term growth, minimal effort. But when the market falls, so do you. Real estate. Real estate builds wealth in two ways: cash flow and appreciation. It's real, physical, and powerful, but it requires time, money, and patience. REITs want real estate without the stress. REITs give you exposure without owning property. Easy to buy, strong dividends, but sensitive to interest rates. Crypto is the wild west of investing. Massive gains, extreme drops. No banks, no protection. High potential, but even higher risk. Commodities. Gold, oil, food, the essentials of life. They often rise during inflation, but they're unpredictable and driven by global events. Options. Options aren't investing. They're calculated bets. You're betting on direction, up or down. High reward, but one mistake can wipe everything out. Safe investments, CDs. Want safety? This is it. Low risk, guaranteed returns, but minimal growth. Private equity. Invest before the world knows. High risk, massive potential. You might find the next big company, or lose it all. Art and collectibles. Some investments are driven by emotion. Value comes from rarity and demand, but selling them isn't always easy. Outro. Here's the truth. No investment is perfect. The real power is understanding the difference, because when you know where money grows, you stop guessing and start building.